Take a lap, Unraveling English Idioms. Hello, dear friends and language enthusiasts. Today, we are going to explore a popular English phrase that you might have heard in movies, sports events, or even in casual conversations. Take a lap. Understanding such phrases can be both fun and challenging, but fear not, for by the end of this video, you'll be using take a lap like a native speaker. So, let's dive in and uncover the layers behind this interesting expression. When we break down the phrase, take a lap, it's quite straightforward. A lap refers to a complete trip around a track, path, or area. And to take something can mean to undergo or complete an action. So, literally, take a lap means to go around a track or a set path once. This is a common instruction in sports training or fitness routines, emphasizing the physical act of running or walking around a track. Beyond the literal, take a lap has taken on a figurative meaning as well. It's used metaphorically to suggest that someone should take a moment to relax or to reconsider what they just did or said. This usage is often lighthearted and can be a friendly way to advise someone to calm down or to give others a break from their presence. In popular culture, especially in movies and TV shows that revolve around sports, take a lap is frequently heard. Here, it's sometimes used to show authority or to impose discipline, as coaches order their players to take a lap, as a form of punishment or motivation. But it's not all strict. Sometimes, it's used in a playful context to tease friends or to lighten the mood during tense situations. Understanding when and how to use take a lap is crucial. It's appropriate in informal settings and can be used, among friends, to tell a joke or to suggest that someone's behavior is over the top. In sports, by a coach or a teammate, as part of training or team dynamics. In self-reflection, to give oneself a mental break after a mistake or to clear one's head. Remember, the tone of voice and context when using this phrase will determine how it's received. It can be motivational, humorous, or critical, depending on the situation. I hope this explanation has clarified the meaning and usage of take a lap for you. English is full of such phrases that enrich conversation and make it vibrant. Practice using take a lap in different contexts and see how it can add flavor to your English speaking skills. Keep learning and laughing. And don't forget to take a lap through our other videos for more English language insights. Until next time, happy learning!